go? What are you doing? You want things to go back to normal, like every day when you used to call, hit me up, yeah, just to talk, telling me I'm beautiful when I'm a mess now. Laying low on a Tuesday night, milkshake got her extra fries, cause you know I'll be eating yours when I run out of mine. But lately, you've been missing from my daily. You've been missing. Taking weeks just to engage with me. Don't play with me. It's something here just ain't right.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video to the Miss Kimmy K channel. Okay, if you're new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you could be a part of the Miss Kimmy K family. Okay, it's nothing but love over here. Okay, so for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys my relaxer routine, and I'm showing you here my new growth. Okay, and that's within over 2 months. Okay, so I usually go in with the Dark and Lovely Silkening relaxer, and it works best for me, so I just stick with it. Okay, so yes guys, if you have any comments, concerns, questions, please feel free to drop them in the comment section down below. Okay, I'm not gonna say too much on this video. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Okay.
I want to be selfish with you. I only want to see the truth. I want to be doesn't matter what's around us. 'Cause baby, you've got me blind to all those other people, all those other people. You're my home in the middle of all those other people. I'm resting my head on your shoulder. You're keeping a tight grip on me. We're wrapped up in honey. That's so bittersweet. Is this too good to be true? You've arrested my attention. All the focus is on you. It doesn't matter what's around us.
I'm not even gonna get to go under the dryer right now. I'm actually going to let my hair air dry. I was gonna say make this air dry, but let my hair air dry, and tomorrow I'm gonna take it out and you guys will see the finishing product. Oh my god. Guys, let me tell you something. Like, I was supposed to do my hair, just little quick story time. So I was supposed to do my hair, okay, from like maybe 2 weeks ago. I was supposed to do my hair, but I'm like, because I'm just like so tired, guys. Like ever since my second child, like my energy is just like all the way down. Like, I have not much energy. I don't know if you guys can see my eyes. I hardly get sleep, maybe 3 hours sleep, 4 hours max. But because, you know, he wakes up and then I have to wake up early in the morning, you know, I really try my best to, like, you know, give my best to my kids, of course. So it's really hard to like put out my hair videos, or, you know, as much videos as I want, like every week. But today I told myself, I said, Kim, get up. If you want good in life, in Jamaica we have a saying that says, if you want good in life, you know it's have to run, right? So like, I told myself up, no matter how tired I was, and I'm like, let's do your hair, because I have quite a few hair videos that I need to put out. So this is step 1, okay? So it's gonna be quite a number of them, so guys, stay tuned for that, and please pray for my strength. Oh my gosh, like, because your girl is tired. All right, but I'm dedicated, still dedicated, because I love what I do. Trust me, if you don't love what you do, if you don't love what you do in terms of you know, your channel, you just come here to start a channel for the wrong reason, it ain't gonna last. It ain't gonna last. But because I love doing this, that's why I try my best to push myself. Sometimes you gotta be your own cheerleader, because you're not going to have I don't know, I should have been looking here, you know, but I'm looking at myself. You're not going to have people cheering for you at all times. Sometimes you gotta push yourself, cheer yourself on and stuff. Be your own cheerleader, push yourself, okay? And remember, you know, success don't come overnight. Success don't come if you're not pushing yourself to do better or to do more, okay? So that's what I had to do. And yes guys, so I'm just gonna go now. I just felt like telling you guys, you know, a little one-on-one, because, you know, we're a family over here on the Miss Kimmy K channel. And don't forget to subscribe down below, guys. Hit the subscribe button, and also share this video, and also drop a comment. Let's chat down below. All right, share the video, like the channel. Share the video, like the channel, and comment, subscribe. All right, come on and join the Miss Kimmy K family. All right, and stay tuned for tomorrow. Well, it's gonna be like a snap of a finger for you guys, but I'm gonna take out the rollers tomorrow, so you guys will see the end result of my relaxed day routine. Okay, all right guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. See you guys, bye. Mwah. Okay.
What are you doing? You want to, but you can't let go. What are you doing? You want things to go back to normal, like every day when you used to call, hit me up, yeah, just to talk, telling me I'm beautiful when I'm a mess and all. Laying low on a Tuesday night, milkshake or extra fries, 'cause you know I'll be eating yours when I run out of mine. But lately, you've been missing from my day.